Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. In today's video, we're checking out 20 new woodworking tools that make your projects easier, faster, and more precise. Let's jump right in and see what's new in the workshop. Tired of crooked cabinet handles that scream DIY disaster? Meet the Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro XL, your new precision wingman. This genius tool nails perfect alignment every time. No measuring drama, no guesswork, just smooth pro-level installs up to 38 inches apart. Basically, it's the cheat code for flawless hardware setup. The Blackzero Drill features a brushless 60 Newton-meter motor for powerful, quiet, and efficient performance. Its smart display lets you switch between 5 modes with a touch, while the sleek, ergonomic design ensures comfort and control. With fast Type-C charging and reverse power capability, it's ready to charge your phone or itself in just 50 minutes. Say goodbye to uneven boards with the Benchtop Planer. This powerhouse tackles boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide with ease. Its 3-knife cutter head delivers buttery smooth results, and with 2 feed speeds, you control the finish. Fast for speed demons, slow for perfectionists. Woodworking has never felt this satisfying. The LP2 Laser Engraver offers high-speed, precise engraving with advanced galvo technology and up to 2K resolution. Its 360-degree rotary system supports cylindrical and mobile engraving up to 196 inches long. It works on materials like wood, leather, paper, and coated metal, and features a compact, portable design with easy smartphone or computer connectivity. The Woodworking Vise is made from high-quality beech wood for strength, durability, and impact resistance, showcasing a natural wood grain finish. Compact and portable at 20.8 by 11 by 2.7 inches, it is easy to mount on any surface. The electric hand planer delivers powerful performance with a brushless motor running at 15,000 revolutions per minute and a 3.25-inch planing width. It offers precise depth adjustment up to 2 millimeters with 0.01 millimeter accuracy for smooth, controlled results. Ideal for both professionals and DIY users, it ensures clean, accurate, and fast material removal. The digital tape measure delivers fast, accurate readings with Aquatel's PowerBrush digital display. Compact and portable, it includes a wrist strap, back clip, and stores up to 20 measurements. With 6-unit conversions and a rechargeable battery, it's durable, easy to use, and ideal for construction, design, and industrial applications. The Silicone glue brush offers quick, easy, and mess-free glue application for woodworking and crafts. Its durable silicone bristles make spreading glue smooth and cleanup effortless. With both 1/2-inch and 1-inch brush sizes, it's perfect for detailed joints or larger surfaces. The Countersink Drill Bit Set delivers smooth, precise results with its double-edged cutting design that reduces vibration and boosts efficiency. This 22-piece set includes 5 countersink bits, 5 replaceable drill bits, a magnetic drive guide, a hex wrench, and 10 screwdriver bits, all stored in a convenient case. The 3H cabinet jacks are heavy-duty installation tools with a 165-pound load capacity and an adjustable height range of 15.7 to 27.5 inches. Built with a thickened steel rod and an aluminum handle, they feature non-slip pads and a base that rotates 360 degrees and tilts 45 degrees for versatile use. Tired of guessing angles like a pirate reading a treasure map? The Digital Angle Finder has you covered. This 2-in-1 stainless steel tool measures angles 0 to 360 degrees with plus or minus 0.3 degrees accuracy, handles lengths, and even offers reverse readings. With a clear LCD, locking, zeroing, and unit conversion, precision has never been this easy or this fun. The original cabinet Hardware Jig features a patent-pending true calibration system with laser-engraved rulers, offering unmatched precision and durability. Hand-calibrated in California, it simplifies DIY hardware installation with professional-grade accuracy. Designed specifically for shaker-style cabinets, it includes unique spacers for stable drilling on recessed fronts. The Workbench Vise securely holds wood, metal, plastic, and resin objects with a 2.44-inch jaw opening for precise, stable clamping. Made from durable aluminum, stainless steel, and brass, it offers 0.1 millimeter adjustment accuracy for detailed work. The Wayland Outdoors Bushcraft Settlers tool is a versatile survival tool designed for building shelters, furniture, and more in the wild. Made from sharp, high-carbon steel, it drills perfect 1-inch holes and cuts matching pegs from branches for secure, handcrafted joints. The KingTool Home Repair Toolkit includes 226 essential tools neatly organized in a durable plastic case with molded compartments for easy access and protection. Made from high-quality, heat-treated chrome steel, the tools are strong, corrosion-resistant, and comfortable to use with TPR handles. The self-centering dowel jig offers precise, efficient alignment for woodworking projects with an extra-large clamping opening that fits a wide range of wood sizes. Its elongated jaws provide superior grip and stability, ensuring accurate drilling and secure positioning. Built-in ruler markings allow quick, precise measurements between dowels, reducing setup time and improving overall accuracy. The Hoto Cordless Rotary Toolkit features adjustable speeds from 5,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute for precise work on wood, metal, and plastic. It includes a 3.2 millimeter collet with a 2.3 millimeter replacement, 35 accessories, and an LED ring light for better visibility. Lightweight and ergonomic, it offers quiet, powerful performance and cordless convenience for versatile DIY use. The portable Jobsite table saw delivers fast, smooth, and accurate cuts with a fence that stays perfectly parallel to the blade. It features an integrated folding stand for easy transport and storage, micro-adjustable blade alignment for precision, and a 4x4 cutting capacity at 90 degrees. The chuck attachment with Fast Fix interface allows quick switching between functions, saving time and removing the need for multiple single-purpose tools. The Festool Fast Fix offset chuck positions bits flush to the side for easy drilling and driving close to walls and in corners. The Stanley FATMAX Express Folding Workbench is a durable, portable work surface with a 450 kilogram capacity. Its 85 by 61 centimeter platform features dog bench holes and X-shaped grooves for easy clamping. With quick fold metal legs and built-in carry handles, it sets up or packs away in seconds for effortless transport and storage. That's it for today's look at the latest woodworking tools. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Chop Busters for more tool updates and tips. Thanks for watching.